At Albany Student Village, you get the best of both worlds with a variety of options from cozy ensuites to chic studios, all tailored to your style. Keep things tidy with a spacious wardrobe, sleep soundly on a plush bed, and cook up a storm in a fully equipped kitchen. But wait, there's more. Forget weekend chores with an on-site laundry facility. Stay connected with high-speed internet and dive into fun social events with fellow residents. Pump up in the private gym, challenge friends to pool, board games, or table football, and enjoy movie nights in the cinema area. Plus, with all utility bills included, you can focus on living your best life. Located just minutes from Coventry University and City College Coventry, you'll never miss a class. After a long day, grab a coffee at O'Toole's Cafe. Hungry? Savor mouth-watering dishes at Delhi's 76 Indian and Nepalese restaurant. Need groceries? Sainsbury's is just a short ride away. And with Broomfield, Urid, and Broadway bus stops nearby, commuting around the city is a breeze. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream stay at Albany Student Village Coventry, now on amberstudent.com.